How to fix NFC is not working in Huawei Mate 70. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and click on more connections. After clicking on more connections, then you can see the option NFC. Now click on NFC. Now here you can enable your NFC. After enabling NFC, then go back and scroll down and click on System and Updates and click on Software Update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on Reset and click on Reset All Settings. And again click on Reset All Settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.